The 4 Series MSO is more than a great oscilloscope. It's a highly integrated test and measurement system. A wide range of probes are compatible with the Tech VPI probe interface, including single-ended active probes, differential probes, power rail probes, current probes, and even optically isolated differential probes. Each of these 6 connectors is a flex channel input. By plugging in a logic probe, you can change a single analog channel to 8 digital channels. Digital waveforms have the same sample rate and record length as analog waveforms. You can add advanced frequency domain analysis with Spectrum View. You can view any or all of the inputs as a waveform, a spectrum, or both at the same time. The Spectrum View is controlled by familiar center frequency, span, and RBW. Unlike typical scope FFT controls, the spectrum controls and the time domain controls are completely independent. You can quickly and accurately decode serial buses without pencil and paper. Channel 1 and Channel 2 are connected to an I2C bus, so I'll add bus decode. Instantly, I can see the bus traffic, and it's synchronized with the other signals on the display. I can also trigger a search on specific bus activity. For instance, this bus data. Now, decoded traffic is also available in a time-stamped results table. With the optional built-in arbitrary function generator, you can generate a wide range of signal types. The AFG has performance comparable to a standalone function generator at a fraction of the cost. The function generator provides 13 predefined waveforms, or you can generate custom waveforms using the arbitrary waveform capability. You can build your own waveforms, or you can play back waveforms like the RS-232 signal seen here. Making power supply measurements is just as easy as making basic measurements. With the power analysis package, you can make end-to-end power supply measurements in a snap. Quickly take AC line measurements like power, apparent power, and power factor. You can get all these important measurements along with means and standard deviations in a results table. To help visualize harmonics, you can add a bar graph. In the switching sections of your power supplies, you can quickly measure switching loss. Automated ripple measurements make it easy to check the DC outputs of your supplies. An automatic report generator makes it easy to document your setups and measurement results. You can save the files as editable MHT or PDF files. Here's an example of what a report would look like. It shows the setup configuration, your results, and even your waveforms. A handy DVM and trigger frequency counter can be added for free. All you have to do is register your product and we'll send you the code that activates both of these features. The DVM appears in the results bar. The trigger frequency counter appears down here in the trigger badge. All of the functions I've talked about in this section can be configured in a new instrument or can be added later in the field. And our engineers are continuing to add new capabilities and options. You can also upgrade bandwidth to any level or double the record length without returning the scope to service. So you can buy what you need today and add performance and capabilities as you need them.